Hi and welcome. In this chapter, we will see how to take a remote desktop of the virtual machine. So, in the previous lab, we have seen how to create a virtual machines and how to assign the public IP address, etc., etc. So, this is my virtual machines and this is my public IP address. So, let's try to take the remote and we'll see what is the behavior. So, I'm going to click on instance ID over here and then I'm going to click on connect. Now we have an option here which is RDP client. So we need to select this and then we have something called get password. So this is the one which will provide us the password to take the remote. So I'm going to click this get password. Now it will ask me to upload the private key. So as you remember earlier lab we have downloaded one private key. So we need to point that private key over here. So that will provide us the password. So this is my private key which I was downloaded earlier. I'll click on open and then I'll click on decrypt password. So this is the password. So using this password we can log into our VMs. So I'll save this password. So let's open one notepad. So in this notepad I'm going to paste this password. So once we have the password we can click on download remote desktop client. So it will download the RDP file. So let's hit on this demo RDP and then we'll click on connect. So as you can see here, it is trying to connect, but it will fail. So this is because in AWS, we need to have something called internet gateway. So that will help us to take the remote of the virtual machines. So if you talk about other clouds such as Azure, where such requirement is not necessary because by default Azure will provide the internet gateway. But in Amazon, we should deploy something called internet gateway that will help you to take a remote from your PC to the Amazon virtual machine. Similarly, if you wanted to communicate from Amazon virtual machine to Google or any other internet related services, then also you need this internet gateway. So in the next chapter, we will create internet gateway and we will see how to take remote.